Want to add some audio to your project in Adobe Premiere Rush? I'll show you how to add the perfect sound to your video in just few steps. First, open your project in Premiere Rush. Then click on the Media tab in the left panel to access your files. If your audio is not already imported, drag and drop it from your File Explorer or click Import Media to find it on your computer. Next, drag the audio file to the timeline, placing it in an audio track below your video. Adjust the length and position as needed to sync with the video. If the audio is too loud or soft, you can adjust the volume by clicking on the audio track or using the volume slider. Comment below if you are adding audio to your project now. Now you are ready to edit audio like a pro. Customize it, add effects and sync it with the video. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.